I would like to explain how to check the exhaust fan on the unit for Lithrone G-series. If the exhaust fan stops working, heat can build up inside the switchboard, increasing the risk of failure, shortening the lifespan of electrical and other components, and potentially causing defects. Therefore, regular inspection is recommended. First, remove the cover on the side of the unit. This is the circuit board of the unit. This is the exhaust fan that needs to be checked. Hold your hand over this area, and in case the air is weak or does not come at all, please contact Komori Service. After completing the inspection, return the cover to its original position.